In this space, I like sitting at my desk, doing my homework, drawing, especially doing art on my easel. But this space just got a lot cooler. Check out this banner. Look at the pizza. I didn't even know this emoji existed, but it's here. Just look at this chair. It's inflatable, but guess what? It also has this funny emoji cover. Look, it's like its whole body is a round marshmallow, and its face is just itty bitty, and it's comfy too. It feels like I'm sitting on an inflatable marshmallow. Did you know inflatable furniture existed? Like this chair. It's like you're pushing into a mattress, but just better. It's inflatable.